Normal things I question while pressure washing. Why do we turn the music down when we're looking for an address? Does that help our eyes? Or why do we smell something immediately after someone says, "This smells terrible"? Here's another one. Why do we hit the remote harder when the batteries are dying? Am I alone in these thoughts? What about, why do we wave someone through at a stop sign and then get mad when they don't move fast enough? Here's a good one. Why do we set 7 alarms like the first 6 are just suggestions? Do dogs look at canines and think, "Oh, shut the cops"? Follow for part 2. I've got more questions, but still no answers.